Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add the subscription manually in Rocket Money. So to do that in this app you need to do it from the mobile app. This feature is not available on the web, right? So to do that you will need us first to open the Rocket Money app and then just go to the recurring tab, right? So after linking your account or your bank account to the app, then you will be able to see the recurring tab or a calendar icon, right? So just tap it and then tap the plus button and select add bill or subscription option, and then just enter the name of the subscription. So you can pick from suggestion or type a custom name, right? Also guys, you can just subscribe from here. So you can go right here to the settings, go to the profile right here, and then you will need to scroll here to the account sharing and go with enable, right? Then you can go with try for $0, and here you will find the three types or the three types of the subscriptions, right? So then tap Find Transactions to link it to a matching charge from your bank credit card history, and set details like the amount, billing frequency like monthly, yearly, etc., and next due date. Then tap Save to finish. So it's important to know that you must have the bank credit card accounts linked first so Rocket Money can find these transactions, and if no matching transactions exist you can still create a custom subscription manually. So this feature is only available on mobile, not on the desktop web version. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.